Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is now Monday morning, AM, and it's about 1:51 AM on the late night, Sunday late night, early Monday morning, whatever you want to call it, tomato, tomato, potato, potato. As you see, I'm up rolling me one. I'm just chilling, guys. So I said, why not do a little quick little video while I roll me one. I want to just take a few minutes first off though to say thank you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my Crazy Big Black family on YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on over to this channel and saying what's up, guys. Thank you so much for giving us a chance and watching our channel, guys. I want to first and foremost say welcome to this channel, guys. This is a little longer video. I've been putting a couple of shorts out, but please feel free to go enjoy my latest uploads, short videos, guys. Couple of good ones out there. Some lip syncing, a lot of lip syncing shorts. So please go check those out, guys. And don't forget to subscribe along the way. Take a shortcut and hit the subscribe button on your way in there, guys. And if you don't mind, you can also hit the like button, but you don't have to hit the like. Just definitely, I appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, guys. Like I said, I am up right now, and I'm actually up working right now. I just made two shirts, and I gotta upload them to our website. So actually I'm gonna have my daughter do that. She usually, I can do it too, but she's gonna do that. So we have to basically photograph the images and then make them look good in the nice lighting, hang them, and then put them on the website and then tag them for the price and stuff, guys. But I'm up with a late night burn session, and I am just taking a few secs out to roll me one. And like I said, thank you guys and welcome you guys for getting us so close to 800 subscribers. We are literally almost at 800. So please feel free, if you see this video, yeah, you see how I do it. Women work, honey. This is what I do. Oops, I spilled a little bit. Well, I picked that up. Bloopers. Fail. Blizz roll fail. No, sir. But yeah, guys, feel free to make sure that you don't forget to hit the like on this video and subscribe to this video. Man, check out our playlist, guys, because if there's something you're interested in, 9 times out of 10, see how fast I do that? Like a beast. I'm natural with it. Feel me? Ripping the vine off. I hate the vine. Those that know how this goes, you know what the vine is. So there you go. I rolled that nice. Perfectly rolled blizz. Blunt, for some may call it. I call it my blizz. But hope you guys have an amazing week this week, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your night. For those people that are up all night and who get their little insomnia on, I hope you have tried to find some way. Actually, you could go around and keep an eye on that for me so I don't do racism. You could go check out my playlist for that too, because I got a playlist. Say that again. I did. Oh, okay. I got a playlist for the folk that can't sleep at night and who stay up all night. So go check out that. I think it's called Can't Sleep. And I actually just uploaded another video that I got to add to that playlist, because that was a couple of videos relaxing and just like relaxing videos to like relax the mind and relax the body, take away all the thoughts that you probably don't want to be thinking about every second, and try to just have a relaxing time. So I got a nice little playlist for that, guys. But other than that, yeah, I just wanted to get on here and do me a nice little quick little video vlog so that I could just start my people's weeks off, start their week off in a good vibe, that they could have an amazing week, and then they could go into their week with a nice little vibe. You might see in the background here some so this is my blanket. In case you're like, well, what is that? Well, these are my bags for my business. I'm actually bagging up some shirts, so I put them right here. And I was working in my kitchen right now, so not working in my office. I was working on my kitchen, so I got the bags right here to bag up my merchandise when I'm done. Could you pop these in, please, Brianna? Sorry. Thank you. I'm also gonna have me a little bit of some pizza that we had earlier. I'm about to eat the rest of that because I got the munchies, by the way, because I already burned one earlier. So, can I see a lighter? And shout out to LGBT guys. My daughter's lighter. Look at that, nice little lighter. Pretty colors. And we're gonna just have a nice little burn session. So yeah, guys, what my main purpose is to just chill and relax and get ready for the upcoming summer, guys. My family's actually about to go down. They're taking a trip. I won't be taking that trip most likely with them. They're going to Virginia. I just went to Virginia recently, but they're going to go down there. I'm going to probably stay back here, get some work done. Spend some time, try to come up with some more creations. Probably make some more vlogs. Maybe do some down-home cooking and or cleaning. And sit back and relax. But they're supposed to be leaving like the end of the month, so I'm going to be here chilling and relaxing. Oh, thank you. And so what I got is some pizza. And they probably like, well, why is it out? Because my grandbaby had it early and she didn't eat it. I believe in not wasting food. So you know what I did? Why would I waste this pizza when I could just eat it? Pizza and a blizz. There ain't no way you're gonna beat that. I'm trying to tell you. Work with that. Imagine that nice little blizz. You got your 1-2 right here. Look, I can do them both. Oh well, I can't do it because this one out. What for real? Yeah. And yeah, exactly. Like that would be like such a vibe. But I got my little pizza right here. And I got my little blizz right here, like I'm in a little cafe having a little, this is my cup of coffee, but only it's in a blizz, feel me? And this is my my appetizer, my food, my pizza. And like I said, I can do both. So, if you're new to this channel, we love you, we thank you, and God bless you guys for joining our channel. And we want to just encourage you guys to, if you're just looking at our videos and you're like, oh, or we came on your feed for whatever, hashtag brought us to your feed. And you're like, well, what is this video? Just take a chance out. If you like one of the videos, hit the subscribe button. I know there might be some things Some people, check out my playlist. That kind of tells the story of us. So guys, like I was saying, like, check out my playlist. My playlist will tell a story of what we have. I had to give me some tissue. My nose, I have bad allergies, so. I'm blowing my nose because my nose was bothering me. And I have bad allergies. So now I'm going to wash my hands so I can continue my little session in peace. And because I'm so OCD, I'm going to wipe off my face. Get a nice little clean slate. And I'm back. Look at that. I had to clean up a little bit. Want to be up here looking a hot ass mess. But have an amazing week. Have an amazing Monday. Good health, good wealth. Get your cardio on. Get your health on. Get some health money in your pockets, which means health is wealth, guys. If you didn't catch that little that I was trying to throw. Boop. If you didn't go long. Feel me? Thank you. Subscribe, like the video, and have an amazing day from my crazy big black women. And share this video. And it'll be like, I'm gonna put a little PS. He's like, oh, you see me eating my little pizza, this and that. And he's like, why she keep doing that? Give me a few minutes, I'm gonna tell you why. The reason why I keep doing that is because it comes natural. I don't even try. Some folk, they gotta try. Oh, let me zoom in. To do that. And believe it or not, I do that because everything I eat or drink, I like to savor it. And I like to taste it. So then it automatically goes. Like if you chew gum, some people when they chew gum, they might not pop it. But me, I naturally just pop gum. That's why I don't really chew it all the time, because I literally just be like, boop, 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 boop. Every chew is a pop. You guys know people like that, be like getting they pop on. Well, I'm one of those folks, so. And so I do the same thing when I eat my food. I like savor it. Excuse me. Excuse me. So when I eat my food, or if I have a drink or a coffee or whatever it may be, it could be candy. And you hear me, like you might, if I'm doing a mukbang or if I'm doing a video where I'm eating, you will hear me like, because I like to taste my stuff. I want to actually taste it. And right now, I'm drinking me some coffee because I got to work and I'm up tonight, so I got to be awoke. I had me a nice long nap though, not going to lie, about good 5-6 hours. And so now I'm on the graveyard shift tonight, if you will. And I'm going to be making me some merchandise to go on my website. Upload some new merchandise. And please, guys, check out my website, successfulwearclothingllc at .com, guys. Feel free to Google successfulwearclothingllc.com. For Father's Day discounts, for family reunion, upcoming custom print, anything you guys want done, 4th of July, t-shirts, whatever, guys, hit us up. Again, that's successfulwearclothingllc.com or www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. And we will hit you guys back if you send us an email, and we will hook you up, guys, with some nice merchandise. Like I said, check out my website. But this has been an amazing little vlog, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed it. And I hope that you guys have a nice day. Or, yeah, because it's daytime now. It's 2:08 a.m. Yeah, I've been on here for about a good 20 minutes in total. So, have a nice day today, guys. Stay blessed up. And I'll stay praying for all of you guys and saying my prayers for everybody out there. If today is your birthday and you're celebrating a birthday today, which I believe is June 12th, 2023, happy birthday to you guys. And happy graduation to the 2023 graduation graduates. Those people who graced the stage for college, for middle school, for elementary school, for high school, who are all those graduates of 2023. Congratulations to the class of 2023. And may God bless you with your future endeavors to be what you want, what you hope for, and everything that you try to achieve. Have an amazing day today, guys, and thank you for tuning into my crazy big black family. This is not no live. It's just a podcast or vlog, whatever you want to call it. Have a good one. Bye.